Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create animation in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft PowerPoint, and for example, I'm going to create animation for this planet. I'm going to create like spin animation. If we want to do that, we can tap on the object we want to animate. Then we can go to the animation and choose the type of the animation we want to apply. And I'm going to apply the spin animation. Okay, then we can go to the effect option to customize the animation. Here we can customize the direction and also the amount. And I'm just going to select 2 spins. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the duration as well right here. I'm going to increase the duration. Okay, and I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create animation in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!